Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Vescartes clothing website. So you can see they are selling different kinds of clothes on their website. You can see the cost clothes category, and if we talk about you should purchase any product on this website or not. So you can see the website. The website is approx like 1 year old website, and when we making a research on this website, we found that the same type of product is available on, you can say, like Instagram, and you can see like these all images are available on Instagram also. So there is a very big concern side. So how is this possible? So this kind of product is easily available on, you can say, like these kind of platforms. So there is a very big concern, like you should buy any product on this website or not. Does it really legit? So when we making research, we found that some of the reviews are positive, like when this person is bought a product and they are, you can say, like they are saying like they are legit, but they receive the product, but the question is like the product is not fitted, okay, according to their size. The product is not delivered according to their size, and they are not accepting return and refund. So this is looking like a dropshipping product, okay. And in the dropshipping websites, the website is providing you product, definitely you will get product, but the quality of the product, and you can say like the return and refund is very hard, okay. So you need to be very careful, like while purchasing any product on these kind of websites, you need to be very careful, like you need to contact with the customer support team before placing any order, because after purchasing product, the return and refund is very important. Because when you purchase product, let's suppose you have make a purchase, and when you want to return your product for any reason, like quality issue, like size issue, like maybe anything any issue, any issue maybe you will face. So in that case, what you will do, you cannot do anything. If the website, you can, like if the website is not providing any kind of contact information, so how you will contact? So you can also see the website is also listed on Trustpilot, and the ratings of the Trustpilot is very bad, like they have only like one review in the period of 1 year. They have only like one review, and which is also very, you can say, like negative, like their product looking beautiful, but the random size guides, jeans are not too long and follow over jeans. You do not accept customer support, and there is no help understand situation, minus 110 euros. So you can see, like I have already mentioned this thing, like when you purchase product, you need to keep this thing in your mind, like when you purchase product, you are going to face lots of issues related to return and refund, okay. So before purchasing any product, you need to contact with the customer support team, and you need to ask return and refund related questions, okay, and then you can make a purchase, okay. So if you have any experience with this website, please share your thought in our comment box. And in our terms, in our research, this is not looking like a legit website. This is looking like a dropshipping website, and the product is, you can say, they are selling, there is no guarantee you will get exact product as they shown in the pictures, okay. So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.